Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start now, power the watch off and remove the wristband so you can access the case. Place screws in a labeled tray and set tools on an ESD mat. This prevents damage. Use a plastic pry tool to break the adhesive seam slowly, lifting the back. Once it gives, use a spudger to free clips. Make sure to photograph the internal layout as you go, because those images save time when you reassemble. Once the back is open, locate the battery connector and use a plastic spudger to gently pry it up. Do not twist. Apply gentle heat, about 40 degrees to 50 degrees C, to soften adhesive, then lift the battery from one edge using tweezers. Inspect the new battery's voltage and connector orientation. Line it up precisely and press the connector back into place. Make sure adhesive holds the battery flat. If needed, add thin double-sided tape so nothing shifts when you close the case. After seating the new battery and reconnecting the flex cable, align the back cover and press evenly until clips engage. Reinstall screws in their photographed positions and tighten snugly. Do not over-torque. Charge the watch to 20% and run a quick test of touchscreen, sensors, and Bluetooth. If the device doesn't boot, make sure the connector is fully seated and the battery polarity is correct. If problems persist,
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.